Hello, everyone. Happy Monday. Hope everyone had a great long weekend. Got to spend time with their family and all. Got some work done. We're back into this. We got a little bit of news today. Nothing crazy though. I think it's just ISM. ISM. I'll double check. We got. Oh no, it refreshed. So that's gonna take a little bit longer. But yeah, this week we have a little bit of news. It's really still about the war. And what's gonna happen around that. The market was like because it's a long weekend, like it's gonna be interesting where we opened. I don't know if it's gonna be choppy, or if the market continued lower or continued higher. Thursday's move was unexpected, and it was like just really unexpected. So yeah, we have ISM and ISM at the like non-manufacturing at 10 a.m. Okay, perfect. So we can get started and get the charts open. Yeah. So, what I'm thinking is really gonna be happening is just that um, I don't know if the market's gonna play a waiting game or if it's going to trade liquidity. Because where it closed is basically in the range. So that's what's gonna be interesting. For me personally, I'm just gonna be very careful. I'm gonna just take a high quality trade. Um, if the market is giving good opportunities, I won't be hesitating on which opportunities to take. But I'm gonna start slow and just see what the market gives. But I'm not gonna force anything. I'm not gonna. I like for my lessons from last week. It's just that let both sides receive pain, move to break even as soon as possible, and keep reducing risk on the trade, and just continue to wait for high quality setups, and that's it. Okay, so let's open trading view now. Okay, so the market really opened flat. I mean, it's testing the high, but we'll take a look at it together. So yeah, nothing really unusual here. We're just like kind of continuing off yesterday's week. From Thursday we had a sweep, right, and then Friday it was, I think the market was open for a very little amount of time, um, and we are just continuing higher, testing the wick, and we had a good job. Like the numbers are not that bad too. So I mean, let's see if we continue higher. We do have this resistance here. Um, we could continue to push higher on ES. It's the same story. It's like if we are gonna push in this range, we could easily test the 200 EMA. So that's what I would be looking to see if it happens. So then on the 1 hour and 4 hour, so here we can see that okay, so we did gap down. I mean, basically what happened was we started chopping uh on the open of Friday. We had a look like because of the news, and then Sunday we gapped down and just started grinding up. So it'll be interesting to see if we continue lower or hold this area. Let's see. It's gonna be, hey Tanish, how you doing, man? Yeah. So will we trade some of this pre-market liquidity or hold this and push higher to 200 EMA or close to it? The 4 hour is cleaner to understand. We're under which EMA is that again? Blue one. I think it's the 100. Okay. So we're holding on the 100 EMA on the 4 hour. Thanks, man. I'm glad to hear that. Yeah. I'm enjoying this, but I also have been editing this video, and it's like almost done and it feels great. Like it's a long video though, like it's like you can see I'm working on it right now. But this video is gonna be posted. It feels good because I haven't posted a video for a while. It feels like, and it's been a while. It's almost been 2 months, or I think it has been 2 months. So I definitely like lost consistency there, but I'm excited. What about you? Anything happening? How's the school and all? Okay, so let me go to the 50-minute and 30-minute. So yeah, it's really the same thing we're seeing on the 1 hour. So it's not much really here to analyze. We just see on the open we did start selling off, but on the open buyers are stepping in. So we can keep that in mind. VIX has dropped quite a bit. So we were at a high of 27 and dropped to 23 to a low of 23.87, but we're at 24.66. So there's still a little bit of volatility for sure. So let's take a look at any news or anything like that. That's good. So okay, you're almost done. So you'll okay, so after you're done, you're gonna take like a break or you're gonna get straight to work or you're planning to travel somewhere. What's on your mind for what happens next? So yeah, definitely. Like when I'm on stream, I just naturally yawn. I'm not even tired. I don't know why. Okay, so let me just check if there's any quick news here. So the market is working on a little bit of hopium that the war will end. Okay, so having a little bit of some sell off right now. Okay, let's get to the 5 minute and 1 minute. Okay, so I'll log in. Okay, so we're definitely making a good move down. I mean, we really had that strong move up and now that strong move down. Um, it'd be we're testing the wick high, so let's see we're kind of breaking low if we start pushing to valley area high from yesterday. That'll be interesting. So I'm gonna keep it at like this so I can see what exactly does, and the same thing goes for ES. That's what I would want to see. Maybe it play here. Okay, no, we're already actually playing it. Okay, so I'll keep it like this. Did we play? Yeah, we did. We played ES is of yes, it is point of control. So looking for my placement by college. Then I think I'm gonna do MBA in India only. Because world situation mentioned. Yeah, no, I agree. It's definitely rough right now. Oh, what's a ASU? I'm not sure. But anyways, yeah, no, I totally agree with you. But at the end of the day, like you're still gonna get the the knowledge or study that you need, and it will still help you out. Of course, like you traveling, of course, will be hard right now, 100%. Um, let's just hope this thing gets to a close. I mean, from what I hear, it's like it's only getting escalated. So I don't know, but I mean, I was actually watching this cool video that um, if like because the oil tankers that are traveling around the world from the Gulf, which are still here after the Gulf closed, um, those ones are gonna finish coming to these areas by April 15th. So the oil shock that we're planning to like that's planning to come into play is only becoming more and more likely, and that oil shock is gonna be bad because it's like gonna be a month of first high pressures, but I mean high prices, but it's also that everything just costs more, and it's like for example, you must have heard Sri Lanka like now cut off 1 day of work Wednesday. Like some countries, you can see the lineup to get gas. Okay, honestly, I mean, in my opinion, the degree, I think that you should just get out there and get a job. That's me, what I think personally, because the experience will be almost as valuable. And I mean, yes, you can continue to learn, but like with such a time in the world where things are just growing at a rapid pace, it's like you may have better luck trying to make some income, get the experience, and then get out there and start maybe building things or helping another like a company like a startup, and it will just like you just like kind of you're kind of just speeding up your run to start working and making income, and then build your like repertoire of what you know and what you can do. But me personally, I'm anti degree right now, just because I'm just like I think school is only gonna get not like it's not going to be forgotten, but like school needs a huge change, but the change won't happen now, and even in 10 years the school will stay the same, but the way things are changing, especially with AI and all these fields, it's like we need to have a different method of learning and a different method of like, okay, what makes a degree valuable. So that's what I think personally. I mean, it's more in the it's a little bit of extreme side, but I think like from what billionaires are saying too, it's like it makes sense. But I'm still going to school, but I'm also thinking that I think it's wise for me to start looking for other sort of exits from school too. India's also some place that are cute for few. Yeah, yeah. I know it's rough because the thing is like I think southern countries like Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, some South Africa areas are already feeling the shortage because they're the closest to the Gulf. So um, I don't know how India is gonna like handle this. I know India was already in talks that this is a good wake up call that we need to go with cleaner fuels. So that's a good sign, you know. I mean, that is true. I do agree with that. Like this war was a wake up call on our reliance of oil. Okay, so let me nice push to point of control. I had this interview for this company in Japan last week, and if I got selected for one round, I have to move to Japan for 3 years. Oh, and that's pretty exciting. Did it work out, or they're still in talks with you or something? That's cool. I mean, yeah, those are good opportunities. Like I even tried that. I tried to um take a place like I tried to get with a company that I don't remember. I think it was South Korea, but it was like a 2 year, 3 year experience. But I mean, it's so worth it because you're getting a change of environment, but more importantly, like um, you're still learning and making an income in a whole different place, which is so cool. I gave a test and test type of thing, and it had technical cues and coding ones, but I'm kind of against the work culture of Japan. Oh yeah, is it like more of the extreme work culture? Because I know China does a like 9 to 9. Is it similar to that? A really strong work culture? All right, so I'm greenlighted to trade. I'm gonna first take a look here. Good. Okay. So maybe a breakout of here is possible. I'm not gonna take that because I don't want to take a divergence if it does play out. Yeah, no, it's definitely strict. But yeah, you just continue looking for such options. Like could be anywhere around the world. But you have the experience. Okay, there's the breakout. So it did happen, but it wouldn't fill me out for what I was thinking it could play out for. Now, let's see. Yeah, but you know what I would tell you to do? I mean, like what I would like think is a good idea is like you just go for the MBA, but just do it so that you can continue looking for jobs and still be in school. So like, you get a little bit of everything because I mean, but I'm just a little bit worried because then the companies may expect you to finish your MBA, but I think they would take you out of a school before you finish your MBA. I don't know. Some companies are like that. Some companies like don't want to take that risk because to you it's like for them they want you to just be with them for a long period of time and really speed up the company's growth. So yeah, it did play out pretty nicely. Mm-hmm. I would say yeah, do the MBA, but don't get attached to completing it because then that will take what, another 2 to 4 years? Is that right? Because that's just like that's the 2 to 4 years is a lot. Like if you think about it, like if you're looking for jobs in that 2 to 4 years, then it makes a lot of sense because you could be like um I'm doing this, but I'm open to looking for work and I don't mind leaving halfway or leaving like right now. 2 years. Okay, nice liquidity sweep. Continuation is more likely now. More pain giving. Liquidity at 400. Um, Not really, honestly. Like, Azan here and there, Bugga, like, I mean, it's been a while. I did, like, on his LinkedIn post, I said, hey, but I mean, he's like doing his own thing just fine. But I mean, I'm still like, if they contact me, I'm still gonna pick up. But yeah, I'm not really hearing much from them. I don't even, I think Azan is in, I don't know. Okay, wait, one sec. I like this setup actually. Okay. Let's see if I got slipped on that. Just not just immediate loss happens though. Okay, good loss though. What about you? You talked to Bogartan? I was gonna say Bogartan. You talked to Boga Arzan? Let's see if it played out now though. He's in UG. Yeah. I mean, if I call him, he picks up, but he's just like I mean, he hasn't changed, that's for sure. He's still doing the same things. Um, I don't know, like sometimes I hear that he's working, but I don't know. I don't know what he's doing. But guy, I know he's at Brampton and he's doing like he's working at Dollarama. So the move happened, just yeah, more pain. Um yeah, that's really it. Just yeah, sometimes these trades are just I don't know, I'm just like, okay, so it happened and that happened and that happened and then that happened and it's still too soon. So that's I mean, if I just risk a little bit more appropriately, maybe then it would be different. So we're near the wick high right here. No, I mean I have it like planned, but I haven't done it just yet. But I like I know what to do. I found a group in the community to do it in, but I haven't like just made the post yet. I need to build karma and all that first to make a post. And I need to make first I need to make a Reddit account that like I can start building some karma on, and then I can post it. But I found the group. It's just about like building the karma and then post. Um, but yeah, I didn't think of the whole karma thing because I forgot like That's how Reddit works. You gotta, if you want to post something, you gotta have some like I guess experience in Reddit. Okay, another dip, but I also don't really trust this. Like, will we really push higher from here? I mean, yeah, ES has some ways to go. That's for sure. You're grinding up by buyers. It will barely take you 23 minutes. You should do it. It will help your channel to go. Yeah, 100%. I'm gonna really just have to just do it. I guess it's like a little bit of perfectionist because I want to finish the video and like make sure that I have more videos, but it's not even related to trading. Um, but yeah, no, 100%. I agree with you. Tanish, have you been playing with some like AI automation and all? Like, have you tried OpenClaw? It's really cool stuff. Really like it. So, holding this area, let's move this out of the way. It may come back into the range. Point to control flipped higher. I got low volume node here. Hmm. Oh, sorry, yeah. So it's really cool. You just like it's basically automation, uh, but with AI. So like for example, the things you can do with it is like you can sit anywhere and like if your computer is open, you can control your computer and tell it like tell me what's on my computer and like make something for me, and then once you make it, send it to someone. Like it can do things like that. Of course, it's like you need to be careful with the security, so you have to like look into that. But it's really just like it's just like really I mean I would still say it's early days so it doesn't work amazing, but it's cool stuff. Like it's like one sec, I'm gonna actually set this up here. Yeah, yeah, but it's just simply like cool testing you can do with running little like commands that you can do from your computer and AI will completely do it. It's really cool stuff. I've heard about it. People are making Jarvis. Oh yeah, yeah, exactly. Like stuff like that. It's cool though. It's fun to try. I'm gonna remove this because it's gonna be 10 a.m. There's news. Yeah, yeah, you can. You can do it from your MacBook. That's how I do it. I do it for my MacBook too, but of course, like some people just get Mac Minis so that it's like almost its own person. But I do it for my computer. It's like it's almost like you have ChatGPT, but the ChatGPT is connected to your computer and start write and read files and edit things for you. Um, but it's up to you how much permission you want to give to it. But you don't have to jump straight into it. You can also just try like simpler things like Perplexity has something similar with more guardrails, and Claude also has something similar with more guardrails. I tried those and those like work very good as well. Okay, so there's the breakout, but it's around news. Yeah, I'm so happy I did not take it. That would have been such bad slippage. Yeah, no, it's definitely cool. You're gonna love it. Like playing with it and being like, damn, I'm literally like just sitting here. Like you could be playing GTA and you could make it do an assignment, come back to your computer and it's fully done. Like, but it just gives you incredible computer use. Ooh, nice breakout. But of course, it's news related, so I can't be taking that. But I feel that liquidity of 450. You can see how this kind of closes though. Mm, 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 mm. So we're breaking down a little bit. Decent volatility. Buyers really holding point to control well. Point to control flipped higher. Mm, 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 mm. So the breakdown held. We're just going with the base hit. A little bit of noise there. Because the point of control is lower, yeah, it's gonna play, but it's front running it. Did it front run it? No, yeah, it did. Quite a bit. But edge was good. Just risk was too tight. Common theme in the past week. Mm, mm. Yeah, full like it was a full like exit. It would have been a great trade if I had a little bit more to risk. Yikes! It's a frustrating one, like because this is the same thing will happen here too. But I mean, I can't complain. These things happen. Mm. I think it was let's look at it. Yeah, it's a little bit. I got slippage on that too. Liquidity here. 335. Great acceleration actually. Let's see the reaction here. Continuation down. Not taking good trades right now. Yikes. Yikes, yikes. Hmm. That was bad. Damn it. I slipped on that too. Yeah. Okay. I guess I'll call it there. Just it's too many losses. Not good. Not looking good for me. Duh. This was not like this trade could have played out, but risk was tight. and this trade played out. But I mean, I was just it was a top tick fill out, and again, pain could have been greater here. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm not gonna complain. I mean, it happens. Just about like getting back up and making sure that the mistakes don't happen again. But definitely the performance today was not great compared to other days. Um, yeah, I think Thursday was just too volatile. I was bringing that same energy today. Didn't help me. Didn't help me at all. So I'm gonna just call it, accept the loss, and move on to tomorrow. Actually, no, tomorrow is. I'll see tomorrow. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna accept it. Like, it's not the best trades. Like, 100% not clean. Could have played better. I gotta just take it and call it a day. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks Tanish for watching, and have a great day. Have a great week, and